What's up, guys? So yo, I'm actually heading to a wedding right now. It's a evening wedding. It is now 3:35 p.m. Yeah, so basically I wanted to see if I can shoot. Well, I'm not shooting the wedding. I'm actually going there to support my friend. So I want to know if the Fuji XT5, which is right here, this camera right here, is it? Yeah, this camera right here, I can just shoot using one lens, and I using the Viltrox 27 1.2, right? I want to see if like I can just use the JPEGs straight from camera, no editing at all, you know. I want to see if I can just post those type of images or just send those images to the client and anything like that. But as I said, I'm not working at this event right now. I'm just here to support, but I normally just love to walk with a camera, you see me? So that's the whole idea. So stay tuned for more. Actually waiting on Red Bull Jamaica to bring a package for me. So yeah. Yep. Alright, so I ending. Yo, that road here is very bad. It's supposed to be well shaky, but let me lift my hand up. It's supposed to be better because my hand was resting on the armrest. Alright, so I just fixed this strap. So I just reached the venue. I have the XT5 with me right now. They're doing a photo shoot session. One of my friends doing the photo shoot session right now. So I'm actually going to, you know, get a little behind the scenes of what's going on. But yeah, I love this for me and for my friend. Yeah, man, look here, that's him. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. I vlog dog, so
what go on?
Yeah.
Pedro TV.
Big up.
Hello, love.
Hi, what's up? I'm glad I got the opportunity to vlog this wedding. It looks so nice. I don't want to mess you up.
Miss Fairby just were paid.
Yeah, man, the place hot, bro. You look well fresh though.
Yes, my G. I try.
Yeah, man, you look well fresh.
Give thanks for being here, my brother.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate it, alright?
Alright, so I'll just get some nice little snapshots. So the rest of this is going to be on my phone, to be honest, because really and truly I don't want to be walking up and down with this additional camera. So I'm just going to bring this camera in my car and then start it with my XT5. You good?
Hey, I'm good.
What do you think about today?
I'm excited. I actually think I will cry.
Waiting for that. Alright. Officers are well to hear.
Hello everybody from Bwoy Pedro channel. This is our first time both being guests at a wedding. So you know me have to get a suit. Fresh, you know?
This is actually my first time being at a wedding as a guest. You get me? Typically, I'm at a wedding shooting. Well, I'm actually shooting now, but not fully. But yo, this should be a very interesting wedding. Yo, me da go wear a jacket in about me. I see you. The time just feel too hot. Yeah, but just right now I feel really hot. Yeah, very expensive. I know I know this is the cost of wearing expensive things. I know. Chin down a little bit more. Yeah. Look here left. Yeah. Come in closer. Alright, look at me. Let me get a wide shot. Give me something else with the wide shot. That again. One more time. This feel like a wedding crashing type of vibe. This is what the vlog is supposed to be nice enough.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this wedding ceremony. We thank you for being here. We apologize for the slightly late beginning. Not the
Yo, you know one of the good things I love about the XT5? You know, one of the good things I love about the XT5 paired with the iPhone 15 and up, because I can, what's this? Oh, because I can actually just copy the photos without using the app. I hate Fuji app. The Fuji app is garbage. So I can actually just plug the phone directly to the camera and just copy off some photos just like that. So just in case I want to do live posting at a wedding, yo, that should be really good. So I actually come into my car for my cable.
I'm going to ask God's blessing on the rings, and then Brian and you will be exchanging the rings. Let us pray. In the years to come, we pray that as but I don't think they need rehearsal. They're only going to need for 20 seconds, so that the rest of us will have a chance to eat. So, at my count, they will begin. Alright? And we take all the photographs you want. So, bride and groom, 1, 2, 3. Kiss one another. 20. Thank you.